I got this team up there. This team up there. You can barely see them. That's it. Some moves, but that long one, I mean. See that long one right here? That's one. See how long they are? So this is it. Look at it. And then we got them legs. Yeah. I guess we probably only one now. Maybe that's one again too. Yeah, that's another one. Maybe this one is older. Way older. But I ain't see this one yet. This is like a five. This one. This one look completely okay, it's this one. That's, that's this one. See if I can find another one of it. So I found only one of the shop. No, I found one of them dying quickly stick, and then and the walking sticks. I found two. Yes, I found two. Okay, let's go somewhere else, guys, because there's so much stuff to show you guys. We have so now you just sit down over there waiting on me. I'm pretty sure waiting on me. Because she already look at all of them. Look at that. One rhinoceros beetle. Okay. Right here. Madagascar hissing cockroach.
Head-like markings and appendages on the back of their wings to confuse predators into attacking the wings instead of the head. Do these eyes deceive you? False eyes can be in plain view, preparing to have already spotted a stalking attack, or they can be hidden and then flash to frighten predators. These are just a few of the amazing tricks insects use to fool predators and prey. Some insects put on clever displays known as bluffs to trick or scare away predators. Did you spot the bluff? Watch out for these tough bugs. Many species of praying mantises tell predators to back off by spreading themselves out to appear large and threatening. Disguise. They use a technique called mimicry to trick predators and prey. This is not a snake. It is the snake mimic caterpillar, which looks just like a snake, to scare off any insect eaters. Shape mimic spiders imitate the shapes and movements of the prey. Some with their two front legs like the ant's antennae. Others have bodies that look just like the ant. Heads up. This butterfly's wings look like its head. The hair-shaped butterfly has head-like markings independent